How to delete Google account permanently. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Gmail on your device. You'll find this kind of screen. Click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Manage your Google account. After you've clicked on Manage your Google account, in here scroll down and click on Data and Privacy. After that, you can simply scroll down in here and then you'll find Delete your Google account. Click on it. After you've clicked on Delete your Google account, verify it's you. Then you can download your data by pressing on Download your data. If not, scroll down, click on both the boxes and press on Delete account at the bottom right. After you've done that, your account will be deleted. This is how to delete Google account permanently. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.